Yeah, we are good to go. I have a little cold actually. I'm sorry. Let me try my best. We can expect some slow delivery actually. I can take a seat also sometimes. And currently, I still remember we are running with series attributes. What is the topic name? Series attribute that we are going to close today. And running notes number 40. I mean to say, currently 40th session is running on. All right, series attributes and continuation topic is series methods also. What is the topic, sir? Series methods also. And the date is a 6. Here we go. Let's start. None values we already done. After that, methods. It's a simple. Our material is well organized. Trust me. Kindly please follow that material more than enough actually. Running notes and material parallel you can follow. Give high priority for PDF material rather than running notes actually. Okay. Fine, then let's continue. I would like to give a small recap. The recap will be, Tim, while in Python, we have seen classes. We have seen what exactly mean? Classes. Yeah. So the Python especially class. As I told you, generally the class contains, until now, the class contains especially methods. That discussion we have seen. What it can contain? Methods actually. Yeah, good. Now please make a note. List is a class and list having methods. And tuple is a class, tuple having methods. And set is a class, set having methods. And dictionary is a class, dictionary having methods. It's okay, cool. Let me talk about the pandas class. What class actually? Pandas. Pandas also having classes. And pandas classes especially can contain, there are mainly two things actually. The first one is called as a attribute. Cheppandi? Attribute. The next one is called as a methods. Please understand this, right? So the series class, what class? Series class. Series class can contain, the first one will be attributes, the next one will be methods. Yeah, good. Make a note on this actually. When I say attribute, simple, it is a instance variable. What variable? Instance variable actually. Now the next one is a data frame. Data frame also having same story actually. Uh, Data frame also having what exactly? Same story. I request you please be regular to understand the topic. Today topic, the continuation of previous topic. Continuation. If you really attended previous session, today's session you can understand very easily actually. Simple. So all right, Daniel, do you think series having what exactly? Attributes. Yeah, yes boss, attributes. What is the main uses? Attribute returns information. Chappan, returns information about series object. What object mean? Series object. Returns also called as a giving. Chappan sir, giving information. One more time, giving information. Daniel, how to access? Yeah, how to access attribute? How to what exactly? Access. By using object name. What name? Object name. Without parenthesis. చెప్పండి సార్. Without parenthesis. ఈ పాయింట్ మీకు అర్థమైతే we are good to go, I guess actually. I mean to say s dot attribute 1. Next one will be s dot attribute 2. I hope you covered two attributes, I guess. First one is a values. Next one index. చెప్పండి. First one values. Next one s dot values. And the next one s dot. This is the syntax to access. We have seen these are all. Let's move on. So quickly, let's open material. I'm feeling very low. I don't know. Due to weather, I guess. Let's continue. Materials, pandas, series attributes, got values and index. I will give one more time revision, don't worry. As I told you, series is a predefined class, series class having different attribute. These attributes returns information about object actually. Values is a predefined attribute in series class. Values is what exactly? Predefined attribute. Who can access values attribute by using series object. What object? Series object. This attribute returns the group of values as in what exactly? Array. Yeah, see. Now here is the point. Let me create very quickly series. You will get an idea. If you wanted to work with pandas example, first step import the pandas. First step is without importing pandas, no pandas example exists actually. Adi meeku ardham kavali. Okay. Let's write. First step, import pandas as PD. Okay. Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. Now S equals to PD dot series. PD dot what exactly? Series. We are good to go. Now our senior is telling, I have created what exactly? Series object. What object? Object name is a yes. If somebody told he created an object, immediately counter question, what is the name of the object? Chapan sir, what is? You should know the name of the object. If you know name of the object actually, entire thing you will understand very clearly. Then that guy is asking, get the data from object. So this is something like get data from yes object. What object actually? Yes object. And it's a very simple. How simple it is, you know. S dot values. Chapan sir. S dot values. We already covered this one in the last week. Anyway, small recap actually. It is returning array data. What data? Array. What is array? I can talk later. During NumPy, I can talk actually. Yeah, good. Array data we are getting. Yeah, Daniel. I just wanted to print all index value. Then how to print? S dot index. S dot what exactly? Index. Now, can I tell one small point? Actually, the point will be చూడండి. Yeah, this is the important point actually. Sir, this one is total series object. What object? This one is total series object. Whenever you are printing the series object can print the total 3 outputs actually. Output number 1 index, output number 2 data, values, output number 3 data. If you wanted to print the index, s dot index attribute we need to use. What attribute? S dot index. Yeah, very good. Then you will get indexes separately like this actually, like this. Very good. I wanted to print only this data. Then you need to call separate attribute. What is that attribute? You guys understand. Let's move on. We are good to go. Move to the next one. We covered these are all. Index also we covered. Customized index also we covered, right? Yeah. What is the next one, you know? Simple. D types. Data types. What is the next one? Data type. I wanted to see separately. Yeah, this is something like our senior is telling. Boss, I have created a series object. Back to the session here and we're starting for today. Continuation actually. I have created a series object. What object? Series object. Object name is a yes. Now get the data type of data. I wanted to know. Get data type of data. Data type of what exactly? Data. Inside this object, what data it is storing? Then you need to call one attribute. That attribute name is a s dot d types. Chappandi. S dot d type. One more time. Can I ask one question? Can somebody tell what is this? Class. One more time. Whole line is object creation. Can somebody tell what is this? What exactly? How can you say? Yeah, good. Let me tell you, if somebody is asking what is an attribute, what is a method, how can you say? 2 points you need to deliver. How many points? 2 points. First point, you have to start from left actually. You are accessing by using object, point number 1. Second point, no parenthesis. Chappani? One more time. All right. Daniel, can you prove practically? It's okay. Yeah, we are just trying to accessing D types attribute. What attribute? D types attribute. Daniel, I wanted to know. I wanted to see dot values. Next one is a dot index, and next one is dot D types attributes in S object. What object actually? S object. Then there are two ways. By using dir function. What function? Dir function. Second one, by using documentation. Today I can show you actually documentation. Did you remember last week I told I will explain the next week actually? Chudani. I am repeating again. Seems to be single variable. Then what is the name actually? Yes. But inside of yes, attributes we are having. What we are having? What is the first one? Values. Next one, index. Next one, D types. Daniel, prove practically. Simple, you need to use dir. You need to use what exactly? Let me show you how to use. Don't worry, you will get a lot of stuff actually, but please focus only on these three things actually. The first one, dir of s. మీకు చాలా వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ. Don't consider everything actually. Look at only, you will get a lot of stuff. And what is the first attribute mean? Values. ఎక్కడుంది values actually గా? Very good. Here you can see actually. Seriously, very good. Values attribute. You can ignore these are all thing. What is the next one? చెప్పండి సార్. Index actually. Where exactly it is? Item is null. Ayyo, it is playing hide and seek game actually. Yeah, I forget my specs actually. Index actually. Very good. You guys are very good in searching actually. Good. What is the third one? D types. ఏం సార్? D types ఉంటుంది, ఖచ్చితంగా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Let me show you. Yeah, exactly. Otherwise you cannot believe actually. D types attribute also would. I mean to say, sorry. There are two ways. How many ways? Two ways. First one by using. Next one by using. Very good. Let me show you. Let's take this. అంటే మీ చేతిలో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కనుకుంటే you can do miracles, man. Of course, we are having lot of attributes. You can just try to ignore. And the first one will be values, and the next one will be index, and the next one will be D types. Second one is what exactly, man? Documentation. This one slowly by slowly try to understand. By using documentation. I'm explaining one small point. Pandas is a Python package. Pandas is what exactly? Imagine the creator of Pandas, he created a lot of functionality. Then he wanted to introduce this world. Boss, I have created some Pandas package especially. Then first point, before releasing the Pandas, he need to maintain one documentation, that proper documentation. How to search that one, how to search in Google, just try to go to the Google. And ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి pandas series documentation చెప్పండి సార్. pandas series documentation. One more time. Click on this. Now automatic గా మీకు ఇది వస్తుంది, pandas.pydata.org. That is okay. Click on this. I will explain 2 times actually. Slowly by slowly you can digest these raw stuff actually. First confirmation. I am sure series is a predefined class. Series is what exactly? This is the first confirmation. I am telling series is a class. Where is the proof actually? Here is the proof. Are you getting or not, sir? Now, inside class, as I told you, 2 things we are having. How many things, man? First one, attribute. Next one, Scroll down, slowly scroll down actually. Scroll down చేయండి. You can scroll down. Yeah. What is the first one, sir? Attribute. It's okay. T we are going to discuss. Next one, just now I have a T actually. Tell me D types. It's okay. D type you can ignore. What is this one? D types. The next one will be index also we have seen. Next one is a values also we have seen. What we have seen? Values also we have. Size also we are going to discuss now actually. This is the confirmation. Yeah, it is an attribute. It is what exactly? When I'm talking about the values, I'm telling attribute. Daniel, where you are telling, sir, my material according to the documentation I have created actually. It is not like a simply what I know I have created. No. When I was creating this material, I used my real-time experience and I used to follow documentation. I used to follow what exactly? Documentation. Are you getting or not? Let's move on. Daniel, do we need to understand regarding this one more actually? Later on, you can understand more and more. One day separately, I can explain about this. This link I'm sharing here with you. Follow this one. We are good to go. Let's move on. D types is a team. Are you getting everyone? 3 attributes I covered. First one, values, index, D types. One more time, values, index, D type. Rishi sir is asking, Are Daniel, share the link actually. Sure sir, I'm sharing. I sent that link actually. Okay. Good. Can I continue? He didn't give any permission. Yeah, he given. Let's move on actually. Good. Yeah, kindly please make a note. And we are getting here. Yeah. Can somebody tell me what is the data type, man? Floating data type. Yeah. Whenever you are getting D types actually, I hope I didn't execute this example. Let us just try to run this example. S dot what exactly mean? D types. Integer. What exactly? Integer. We are good to go. Sir, this S is something like a group of pods. Let us take a car. Engine separate pod, door separate pod. Same thing like that. S is a group of pods actually. Do you want to see one by one? Use attributes. Use what exactly? Attribute. Best understanding. Attributes returns information. Attributes returns one more time. Returns information actually. Float value also. Can somebody tell me దీనికి D types ఏమొస్తుంది? Very good. You guys are absolutely valid actually. Object means string. One more time. String. The next one, size. What is the next one? Size. Important interview question actually. What is that? Even generally, I used to take interview. When I'm taking interview, I used to ask this question actually. Important question actually. What is the difference between? Between size and count? Size and what exactly? Count. During interview, I used to ask this question actually. Let me show you practically. You will get an idea. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let me tell you. First point. Size means total number of values. Chappani, total number of values including missing value. Including what exactly? Missing value. Very simple definition. Chadanandru. Total number of values including missing value. It will count missing values also. First, one more point. Okay, size and attribute, count is a method that I can talk later actually. Then what is the meaning of count? Count means the same statement actually, but one small change. Total number of values, can somebody guess actually? Excluding, what exactly? Excluding missing values. I will tell you. I need a response actually. Size means total number of values including missing value. Including? I will tell you, hold on. I will tell you. I'm talking about the size. Sir, we can use length also, but size is recommended actually. Why? Because the object itself is bringing the functionality. You can use still length. import pandas as PD. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this 30 value, let us just have to make it none. S equals to PD dot series. PD dot what exactly? Series. Now let me just have to print yes. Did you remember NONE in Python, but in pandas? Chapandi? Yeah, very good. Very good. Now I wanted to count the values actually. If you are using size, it will start count 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Very good. It will count the total number of values actually. It will count what exactly? Total number of values. How to check that one? S dot size actually. Can I ask you a question? What is the size here? Chapane. How can we say? Calling by using object, no parenthesis. సరిగ్గా చెప్పట్లేదు. Calling by using object, no parenthesis. One more time. Please. I kind request actually. Next one, count method. Next one, what method actually? Count method. Now let me tell you, this is something like count. I can talk later actually, but please make a note on this one. Total number of values including what exactly? Missing value. If you want, let me give one small fun example. Fun example. What is that fun example? Then what is the meaning of size and what exactly? Count actually. Count. Imagine, so we announced the demo. Naresh IT. We announced data science demo. Data science, what exactly? Data science demo. And first point, we arranged automatically 100 chairs actually. How many chairs, man? 100 chairs. That 100 chairs is nothing but a size. What is the room capacity? 100. What is the room capacity? 100. Right. What is the count? Head count. What count, man? Though we arranged 100 chairs, the attendees, how many attendees came? ఎంతమంది వచ్చారో తెలుసా సార్? 95 members came actually. How many members? Then how many missing value? 5. Let me tell you, size doesn't matter at all. Either empty chairs we are having, students are available, it doesn't matter at all. The count means it will start from first chair actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all things actually. Did you understand or not, sir? But when you're talking about the count, what is the head count actually? 95. I'm sure you got a clear picture actually. Whenever you're talking about the size means total number of values including missing value. Cheppandi? Including missing value. Now let me ask you a question. Best example I'm asking about what is the room size actually. Then you have to start count from 1, 2, 3. The next one 4, 5, 6. Next one 7, 8, 9 thing. Irrespective of either student came or not, doesn't matter, right? Actually, if I'm asking about the count, asking about what exactly? Count. Now talk with me. Do we need to count this one? No need to actually. I'm sure. Can I get a response? Interview question, sir. During interview, they will ask actually. During interview, they will definitely ask. Yeah, children, you will get an idea. First point. Size is a attribute. Size is what exactly? Attribute. Count is a method. Count is what exactly? Difference. First difference actually. Children. Size. We are calling the size. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what? Count. Count means it should not count missing value. 1, 2, 3. Do you think it will count actually? No. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Very good. We are good to go. Jesus. Can somebody help me? there are 4 attributes we covered: s dot values, s dot index, s dot d types, next one s dot s dot size. We are good to go. Let's move on, please. Yep. Kindly please understand. This attribute returns number of values in a series actually. Returns number of values, including missing value. It is returning the total number of values. Yeah. Total how many numbers are? 5 plus 6 actually. Starts with the 0, 5 plus 6, 6 actually. Move to the next one. It is having imagine here missing value example, kindly find out from our document. Anyway, there are 4 attributes I covered actually, more than enough. Now the next topic, we done this topic. Move to the next one. Methods. What is the next one, sir? Methods actually. Same story. Methods I hope you already know. After all this, the next topic is a data frame introduction. What is the next one? Data frame introduction. Sir, just now we covered. Series is a class, Daniel. Series is what exactly? Class. Generally, series class can contain mainly 2 things. First one is a attributes. Just now we done actually. The next one is a method. Right, good. Attributes, returns information. Chappan sir, returns information about an object. Methods. Chappan, perform an operation. Perform what exactly? Operation. We are seeing methods since a string topic. Since which topic? Same thing like upper method we know how to call, append method we know how to call, add method we know how to call, items method we know how to call. Till now we understand how to call a method. How to call what exactly? Here also same stuff actually. Here also same story. Let's continue. Very easy. String is a predefined class. String class can contain methods. Methods actually. చెప్తారా మీకు గుర్తుందా టాపిక్ సో మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ క్లాస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్లాస్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్ట్రింగ్ క్లాస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ అయ్యో మర్చిపోయారా మీరు మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ లిస్ట్ క్లాస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ టపుల్ క్లాస్ ద సేమ్ స్టోరీ ఐ యూస్ టు రిపీట్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ సెట్ క్లాస్ మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ డిక్షనరీ క్లాస్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ లైక్ దట్ మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ yeah, I'm sure the same story. The next one, methods in. So intentionally I have created this heading so that you can connect very quickly. We already know this heading. Previously we covered many number of times actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, we are good to go. So this is the topic actually. This one is a running. This one is a running topic actually. Yeah. Interesting topic, sir. Interesting topic, and we'd have a lot of functionality. From this minimum 2 interview questions. Minimum how many? 2 interview questions. Get ready to understand actually. Are you ready? Good, get ready. First of all, so I hope you already know. Series class contains methods. These methods perform an operation. Perform what exactly? Perform an operation. Operations. What are all methods? We'll see step by step. Come on, look at my screen. Yeah, Daniel, I have created a series. I have created what exactly? Series actual. And series can contain how many values now? 10 values. How many values? 10 values. Chappan sir, how many values? 10 values. Now, Daniel, of course, I have created a series and series contain 10 values actually. I don't want to see all 10 values. I wanted to see the top 5 values. I wanted to see what exactly? Top 5. Top 5 actually. Sometimes this is the requirement. You'd have a data, you wanted to display top records actually. Top 5, top 10, top 7, top 20, you wanted to print actually. Then in series, there is a one method. Method name is a head. What is the method? Call the head method actually, and it returns automatically top 5 values. By default, head method can display only top 5 values. Only how many values? Top 5 values. చూడండి ఇక్కడ actually. Of course, series can contain total 10 values. Wow. It is returning how many values, man? 5 values actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Yeah, good. Can I ask a question? What is this one? Method. How can you say? Yeah, by using object you are calling. I mean, we are calling by using object with parenthesis. With what exactly? That's the difference you need to be understand. Attribute. Only we are calling by, both are by using object only we are calling, but attribute, no parenthesis. Attribute what exactly? No parenthesis. Methods, parenthesis required. What is required? Parenthesis required. Ayyo. Daniel, it is okay. Total 10 values would have. By default, how many values it is printing? 5 values. Daniel, I need 7 values. I need how many values? 7 values. You can just try to come here, provide how much you want actually 7. It is okay. You can get 7 values. You can get what exactly? 7 values. చూడండి ఎక్కడ మీకు. Yeah, 7 values it will get actually. Wow, really very good. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Siddiq sir, even not much important, but I need to look into that. Difference between D type and D types actually. Head method. Head of parameter also you can provide actually. Now hold on actually. Let us think about the internal functionality. Let me ask a question. Head is a method. So method we should access by using object name. By using what name? By default, how many values it is giving? 5 values. How many values? Can you think logically? Internal ga దీన్ని ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేశారు? How they have implemented this functionality actually? Internally, we are getting only how many values actually? 5 values. Yeah, exactly. They have applied default argument topic. What topic? When they were creating this head method actually, def something like a head method, exactly. Now here they have given n equals to default they have given 5. That's what you are getting by default 5 values actually. By default how many values? 5 values actually. Now here imagine here you are providing head of something like a 7. Old value will be replaced with what exactly? New value. Then how many values you are asking? That's what actually. Please understand. Internally they have applied default argument to topic. What topic actually? Then you should not ask what is a default argument. I hope you already covered actually. Okay. But anyway, not much important. We are good to go. Go back to the session. Can I give one small clarity? Difference between attribute and method. You already know, I guess, but let me tell you. Difference between attribute and what exactly? Method. Attribute and method actually. Attribute returns information. Cheppandi. Returns information. First time talking about attribute. Okay. Next one. We can access attribute by using object. By using what exactly? Object name. While accessing, no need to use parenthesis. No need to use what exactly? Parenthesis. That's it actually. That's what you need to be understand. Team, you know what? Many people what is this, but today you are getting realizing, oh, this is called as an attribute, this is called as a method actually. You should know exactly, right? Now, can you help me actually? ఇప్పుడు నాకు help చేస్తారా somebody actually? What is the next point, sir? చెప్పండి. Method can perform operation. Next one. We should actually, there is no alternative. We should access attribute. Same story. We should access method by using object name. Next one. While accessing, we need to use parenthesis. While accessing, we need to use parenthesis. More clarity, sir. We need to use what exactly? Parenthesis. Adi meeku clarity undali. Let me give one example. What is that example? Uppudu cheppandi. S dot values. Uppudu cheppandi. What is this? Wow, you got a clarity again. S dot head method. What is this? Perfect, man. I can give guarantee you understand the topic very clearly actually. Maintain the clarity, man. Simple. When you are learning the topic, S dot values, what is that? Attribute. S dot head method. S dot what exactly? Method. Let's move on. Let me take a seat today actually. I'm getting some sense. I'm not feeling well actually. Yeah, we are done. Head method we already done actually. Daniel, can you tell me what is the next method actually? Yeah. 1 minute. So series object can contain total 10 values now. How many values actually? 10 values. If you wanted to see top 5 values, you need to call head method. What method, sir? Head method actually. Good. Now, S dot head method. Can I call like this actually? No. What is error? Chappani. Attribute error. One more time. Since Python we are seeing actually. See, that's what I'm telling. You should be strong in Python. These are all Python fundamentals. We have created an object and we are calling a method actually. When you are calling a method, if method name is wrong, we will get a attribute error. What error? Attribute error actually. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు attribute error వస్తుంది. Please be clear. Be clear about the topic actually. Okay. If method name wrong, we'll get attribute error. Move to the next example. The example will be, Daniel, I just wanted to print bottom 5 values. I just wanted to print what exactly? Bottom 5 values. Then there is a method. Method name is a tail method. What method? చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు 5 values వస్తాయి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 values is displaying actually. Daniel, I need 7 values. Then what I need to do? That's it. You got it, I guess. Tail method actually. You need top 5 values. You need bottom 5 values, but you are looking for in middle values, like a starting some position, ending some position. You need to use slicing. You need to use what exactly? See here we are using S of 3, starting third index actually. I hope you already know the same Python index. 7 minus 1, what exactly? 6. You are getting, I guess. Conclusion of the story, if you are having series object, you can access any type of the data. Top values you can access, bottom values you can access. In middle, some values I wanted to access actually. These are all possible. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. We are good to go. Good to go, I guess, actually. Yeah, I have done. Let's have a small theory. Head is a series is a predefined. Yeah, I covered, man. Head is a predefined method in series class. We should access head method by using the series object. This method returns the first 5 values actually. We done. Sir, why red color? Imagine you didn't imported pandas. You didn't imported what exactly? Pandas. Then what is the issue? What issue will get actually? Good, let me tell you. Imagine you didn't install pandas. If you didn't install pandas, if you're importing actually, you will get an error. Error name is a module not found error. What error, sir? What error? Important. That error name is important actually. Tail method. Next one, beautiful. Sum method. What method, sir? Somewhere we have seen this sum actually. Where we have seen? In Python. Very good. Somebody told functions. Yeah, especially. In Python, sum is a function. Sum is a, but in pandas, sum is a method in series class. Sum is what exactly? Method in series. Please maintain clarity. Sum. It is function in Python. Chappan sir, function in Python. The same sum. Chaptara sir. Method in series class. What class actually? Series class. Series belongs to pandas. Series belongs to what exactly? Pandas. Please maintain clarity actually. Same functionality. Functionality is the same. Never change actually. Go back. Daniel, I do have a group of values. Import. Pandas has PD. A equals to, let us just have to take 10, 20, 30, 40. S equals to PD dot series. Chapanda. A. Let me just try to print yes actually. Now Daniel, I need the sum of all values. I need sum of what exactly? All values. Very simple. You need to call a method. Method name is a beautiful actually. Exactly. Kindly please understand. Did you understand or not, sir? Here one small surprising point. What is that small surprising point? Get ready to understand. Now here, I hope you might already aware. Can somebody tell me in Python none, but in pandas NaN. Now I have one small question for you actually. Yeah, interesting. How come it is possible? Did you think logically? Come again. Okay, good, good. Considering it as a 0, ignoring none, considering 0 valid points. Any other points? Come again. Which one? This one is valid point actually. So kindly please make a note. By default, it is where all missing values it is available. It is considering 0.0. What exactly? 0. Come on, look at my screen actually. Then it will still. I mean to say, sum is a method. Still none is available. It won't care at all actually. It will do some operation. It will do what operation? మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్ గుడ్ గుడ్ బాస్ గుడ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ టేక్ లైట్ యాక్చువల్ follow our running notes. You will get a lot of example actually. More the next one, sum is a predefined method in series class. We can access sum method by using series object. This method returns the sum of all values actually. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Yeah, I have created explicitly. I have created a none, but still, if none value is also available, that is still okay. Sum method, it is working with, it is applying sum actually. Important interview question. Count method. What method? Just previously I told actually. Count, it can count the total number of values excluding missing values. Chappan sir, one more time. Means it cannot count missing value. It cannot count missing value. Just now I covered. What is the difference between size and count actually? First 2 point, size is an attribute, count is a method. When you are calling the size, it is the total number of values including missing value. Including what value? Then what is the count? Count is a method in series class. It can count the total number of values excluding missing value. Chapandi? Excluding missing value. Hmm. There is a one question. Let me look into that comments. What is the difference between sum in Python and pandas execution wise actually? I understand your question, sir, but let me tell you. Let me tell you. So think like in Python, there is a sum function. What function? Sum function. Sum function. In pandas, series class. What class actually? Series class. Series class. Now let me tell you, when you're talking about the series, local priority is always important. Imagine if sum is not available, this series class supposed to borrow from Python. This series class supposed to borrow the functionality from where exactly? Python. Why it's supposed to be borrow? Let me create my own. This is something like, let me tell you. This is Prasad. My brother actually. Separate family. He's having water bottle. What bottle actually? Instead of water bottle, let me tell you, laptop. What exactly mean? Laptop. This is Daniel. Imagine I don't have a laptop, but I need to work with laptop. Then what I need to do? I need to borrow. I need to ask Anna, can you give me laptop 5 minutes actually? Then he's supposed to give. If instead of asking, I bought my own laptop actually. I bought my what exactly? Conclusion of the story. This class having the own functionality, this one also having own functionality. That is really good practice actually. Jayesh sir, I understand your question. So hope you understand this kind of explanation actually. This explanation helps you. Not Jayesh, I guess. Jalal, yeah. All right. Good one. We done count method. We done what method? Count method. But functionality I didn't show you actually. Chuptara, can somebody tell me what is the first result? What is the second result? Chappan sir? 4, 2. Are you sure? Very good. First one is a 4, next one is a 2. We are good to go. Important interview question, man. Interview adutara actually. Rishi sir, that's what exactly we covered. Size is an attribute. Size is an attribute. Very good. You are just trying to revising actually. Size is called as an attribute and count is a method. Number of times we covered actually that point. Next method, mean method. What method? Sometimes I need kind of some statistics. Like I wanted to find out the average actual. I wanted to find out what exactly? Average. Then you can go for mean method. You can go for what exactly? Mean method. Mean method. Can somebody tell me how many methods we covered? Next one. S dot tail of 7 or any number you can. Then S dot leg piece. Am I right? Head method, tail method, leg piece. No, sir. Sorry for telling. What is the next method? Some. Next one S dot count method. Count method. Mean. We are going to continue. Yesterday I had a chicken, I guess. How was weekend, sir? Good, right? For me, weekend is biryani and sleeping actually. Eating biryani. Okay, let's continue. Thank you for allaying to having a seat actually. Back to the session. The next one is a mean method. What method? Mean method. Yeah, good. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. S equals to PD dot. PD dot what exactly? No, series and A actually. Print off and yes. Let me call mean method. What method? Mean method. Simple, it can find the average. Do you know the formula of average? Number of, sum of all values divided by number of values. total number of values actually. Exactly. Print off. Let us maintain some social distance actually. S dot mean method. What method? Mean method. Mean method. Yeah, good. So this one is the result actually. The total sum is the 100. 100 divided by total number of values 4. We got a 25. I hope you can walk through this theory. Am I right? Chappan. Next one. Wow, this is important, man. Please make a note actually. This is very, very important. Ensure that you have to understand this. Team, let me tell you. Describe method. What method? Describe. Method name is a describe method. Actually. Describe method, perform statistical operation. Perform what operation? Statistical. Kind of some statistical operation actually. I will tell you what do you mean by statistical. If you wanted to know statistics about the data. Yeah, good. Hold on. Then we need to call describe method. I wanted to cover one point. Whenever, come on, listen carefully. Head method giving one output. Giving what exactly mean? One output. I mean to say that it is giving top 5 rows. That's it. It cannot give any output actually. S dot tail method also giving one output. Ante kada? Giving one output. And next one will be sum method. What method? Sum method. S dot what method? Sum method. Sum method also giving what exactly? Giving one output actually. Giving what exactly? One output. Now here is the point. Whenever you are calling describe method, what method? Team, it is giving 8 outputs actually. How many outputs, man? First to focus on this one actually. Okay, interesting. 8 outputs వస్తాయి మనకి. Outputs one by one చెప్పమంటారా? What are those one by one, First it will give count. చెప్పండి. Count. This is something like one shot and 8 boards actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Right, good. The next one is a mean. Count specifically you no need to call. Count method would you have. The purpose of count will be total number of values and excluding missing value. Chapani. Chapali. Next one is a mean. What is the next one? Next one is a STD. Daniel, what is STD? Standard deviation. Chapani, sir. That is a math statistic. We can talk later actually. The last 5 values from minimum to maximum and 25% of the data, 50% of the data, 75% of the data. The last 5 values having the separate discussion in a math actually. The topic name is called as a 5 number summary. Chapter one more time. Let's open our material. Then you will get confident actually. We have a separate math material. There is a topic. The topic name is called as a Chapan sir. Yeah, here it is. The 5 number summary. Whenever you are executing this one, the last 5 values having the separate discussion. These are all this describe method during maths. I will explain more actually. But anyway, today let me call this one. You will get an idea. We'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Let us just have to take this. What method I need to call, sir? Chapan sir. Describe method. What is output? What error? Wow. It is first of all, what is the count mean? 1, 2, 3. Exactly. It is getting count actually. And mean, what is the mean? 26. It is giving the mean as a 26. Standard deviation. How to use I can talk later actually. What is the minimum value, sir? 10. Okay. Minimum value is the 10. And what is the maximum value? 40. It is giving the maximum value 40. What is this 25%, 50%, 35%, 25%, 50%, 75%? It is having the separate discussion. It is also called as a Q1, Q2, Q3. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Not quarter, sir. Quartile 1, quartile 2 actually. I'm sorry for getting, right? Yeah, please. Now let's go. Quartile, quartile actual. Yeah. Correct, sir. Describe method. What method? Describe method actually. Describe method. that I can talk later. What is the 25, Q1, Q2, Q3, we can talk later actually, but listen carefully. Here the result we are getting a 6 digits, man. How many digits we are getting? Chappan sir. But Daniel, I don't want these 6 digits. Looks like very odd actually. I am looking for only 2 digits. How many digits? I need only these 2 digits, these 2 digits. Then there is a separate one method. That method name is a round method. What method? Round method. Method name is a round actually. Here you can just have to apply to round up. It can just have to apply the round up actually. Chudani ikkada meeku. Wow. Only 2 digits we are getting. How many digits we are getting? Chappan sir. 2 digits actually. Okay, good question. Our teammate is asking, Daniel, we are getting this output, right? Later on, can I use this one separately? Can I use this one separately? Team, let me tell you. Whenever you are calling describe method, it is giving the result as a series. It is giving result as a, yeah, this one is a series. Daniel, how can we say? Because bottom you are getting D type. Recognize that output result is a series. Series contains index, series contains data. If you are looking for this value, then you have to access by using index. By using what exactly? We can still access actually. We can still access. But anyway, Daniel, from this data, I wanted to know minimum value. Then min method you need to call. What method? Min method. It returns the minimum value actually. Please make a note actually. Minimum value. What is the minimum value? 10. I'm sorry, none is not 0.0. None considered like a floating value. The next one will be maximum value. What value, sir? Maximum value. Maximum value. Max method. Means max the max method, sum method, mean method. Beautiful methods, man. That's what. Try to understand about, min and max methods. We can call, sir. By using index actually. By using what exactly? Index. No. I'm sorry. Not from here actually. Once you have created, once you are calling describe method, from that describe method, series will get, by using index, we can call actually. We'll see in upcoming. We are really good to go. Are you getting your? You are getting a guess actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. What is the currently running topic? Methods. What methods? Series method. Regarding the methods, let me tell you, I already prepared you in Python what is a method, how to call a method. Now indirectly, now you're enjoying actually. Okay, method terminology we already know. Upper method we call, lower method we call, strip method we call, split method we call, append method, add method. Kada? Am I right? Yeah, good. Oh, then, okay, good comparison. Let me tell you. Difference between count from Python and pandas. Gurtunda meeku? Yeah, good. First of all, count is a method. Count is what exactly? Method. Yeah. Where are all it is available, Count is a method. It is available in list. Next one. Tuple. Next one. Yeah, somebody told. Where exactly? String also. కొంతమంది చెప్పట్లేదు. Then you are lacking practice, I guess. Actually. The next one, count. Next one is what exactly? Count. So in a series, of course, this one is a method, and it is, you know what? I'm talking about this one is the Python. This one is what exactly, sir? Python actually. Now this one is a method. Where exactly mean? Series and data from code on the pandas. What exactly? Pandas. Please understand the difference. What they done, Python count method is a different. What is a Python count method? I hope you already know. I wanted to find out duplicate number of characters. Duplicate number of, you can use count method. I wanted to know occurrence of every value, how many times it is came actually. You need to use count method. Same thing like a tuple also count method actually. Did you understand? But the count method functionality, it is a different in Python. It is a different in what exactly? Please make a note actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good comparison. You will get a clarity actually. Count in Python? No, sir. It returns integer. Count in Python returns dictionary. Nageswara, sir, it returns integer value. It returns integer value. Okay. Syed, sir, tell me, do you remember? I hope you are saying something. Tell me, sir, what you're trying to say. I didn't remember. Come on, tell me. Oh, 1 minute. Fine. Describe is a predefined method in series class. We can access describe method by using series object. This method returns below values actually. From count to what exactly mean? Max. We are good to go. So did you, sir, did you remember or not? Let us just have to take A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10. 10 how many times available? How can we say? A dot count method. A dot what method? Count method. Yeah, sorry. Very good. 3 actually. Integer. It is returning what exactly? Integer. During interview, if anyone is asking, explain about the count, you need to ask, Anna, are you asking Python count or Pandas count actually? Am I right? Yeah, please make a note on this. By practice, man. By practice, you can remember these are all. Practice చేయండి మీరు కూడా. Practice చేయాలి. Can I ask a question? What is this? Whole line is objective. What is this one? Method calling. How can you say? You are calling by using object with parenthesis. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ మీకు ఎందుకు గుర్తుండట్లేదు? పనిష్మెంట్. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ వన్ మోర్ టైం. వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ బై యూజింగ్ object and parenthesis. And what exactly? Parenthesis. Okay. Siddiq sir, same actually. We can talk later. Sir, I don't want these many precisions. I'm looking for only two precisions. Then count actually. Yeah, okay. I remembered one thing. Let me tell you. I forget the name. Import pandas as pd df, sorry man, equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Let us delete one value. Now let us call describe method. What method? Describe method. Let me create a series. S dot describe method. What method? Describe method. I forget, maybe previous to previous batch actually. I was explaining like this, sir. I don't want exactly like, you know. So this is I'm reading like, what is the value? 3,33,000. What exactly? 3,33,000. So I don't want this kind of 3,33,000. Suddenly, one madam raised, Daniel, that you should not call 3,33,000. You have to call 3,333 actually. Then I asked, madam, you're a professional. She told, math teacher actually. did you understand? So you should be very careful. You know, math teachers might be available. I mean, this is exactly where exactly the fun where it was generated. You know. Unfortunately, this one I am reading something like a 33. What exactly? 33. I mean to say, let me just try to by default one, or let me just try to print this one. That day while I was explaining about this one, I told 23.33 actually. I'll call you good. What we need to call? 33. Then madam told, Daniel, that is not 33 actually. That is 33. I remembered. Archana. Madam name Archana actually. She's math teacher. Next one is a unique method. What method? Unique method. All right. Important, sir. So same thing like, set a data structure. What data structure? Set data structure. See, imagine I do have a kind of some 10, 20, 30, 40, again 10, 10, 10. Can I ask a question? 10 how many times available? 4 times available. But Daniel, I need, only unique values. I'm looking for 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30. I mean, series can allow duplicates. Series can store duplicates. Something like a list nature actually. What nature, sir? List nature. But I wanted to print only unique values. Then you need to call a unique method. What method? It returns array of all values. Chudandi. 10, 20, 30, 40. What method, sir? Chepandi andaru. Unique method. Very simple method. Next method is. Then I have a question. How many unique values would we have? 4. I need that 4 number. Count of unique values. Chepandi sir. Count of, otherwise number of unique values. What we need to do, same method, just try to add here one letter. Letter name is n. Letter name is n. That we need to read n unique. What exactly? N unique in the sense not number of unique values actually. This is something like, total number of unique values. Yeah, you can also call it as a number of unique values. Students, sir, ento vachindi result? 4. Did you understand? What is the first method? Unique. Next one, n unique. Cheppandi. Unique, n unique. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will count actually. It will count. If two times it is available, it will count only one time actually. Okay. Go back. Cheppandi, sir. Oh, hold on. Let us do R&D actually. Little R&D. None how many times available? 2 times actually. Displaying one time actually. Okay. So that is different actually. This one is different. Good question. Okay. Can somebody tell me what is the topic name? PANDAS. Now indirectly, there is a data. That data we are storing in series object. We are storing in what object? Once it is storing in series object, based on requirement, we are calling the methods. First method name is a head method. Next method name is a tail method. Next one sum method, count method. You have to understand like that actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Hope you understand very clearly. The point will be, we are learning pandas, but the point will be, inside object we are dumping the data. Once in your hand object would have, you can call attributes and you can call methods. That's what, please be clear actually. Indirectly we are playing with an object. Mano object to aata adukuntunam anamata, oka aata adukuntunam. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, exactly. Unique method we done, n unique method we done actually. That's what we done actually. Can I get a response? Very good. We are good to go, guys. Can I take a rest actually? Is it fine? So we're done for today's session. I don't know. I'm not feeling well. A little low actually. We done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow is a data frame introduction. Very interesting, man. Very interesting. Let me upload the material and everything. We are good to go. Sir, tomorrow I can revision. Oh, sorry, man. That's what I was out of. I hope you're doing preparation. Let me check with you tomorrow. Attributes I have uploaded. The next one, let me upload methods. Can I upload tomorrow material also? I will upload tomorrow, sir. Yeah. Then fifth one. No, just kidding. Let me upload now itself actually. You will get a somewhat interest. Everyone should be available in Google Classroom so that you can access the material. Follow our material, man, chapter by chapter actually. Intentionally, I have created a chapter by chapter wise material. Where is the running notes? Almost 40 sessions over. Really, you gain nice knowledge actually. Let me upload tomorrow material also. Tomorrow material data frame introduction. Nice introduction actually. Tomorrow you will enjoy. Yeah. Good. Thank you. We done for today's session. A little early I'm leaving. Just 5 minutes before. Thank you. Please come for tomorrow.